Hi friends, welcome to another Grove Collaborative haul. I'm so excited to share this with you because it's all about spring cleaning, yay! As you can probably tell my nasally voice, I am very congested. I have a horrible cold right now, so bear with me. But, and also excuse the mess in the background because we are going through all of our stuff. We started our spring cleaning a little early. We are going through our boxes, our bags, going to sort through to donate, throw away, or sell, hopefully. So let's get to my awesome haul. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. All right, so first things first, I just ran out of this, so I'm glad I got this today. It is the 7th generation disinfectant wipes. I get the 70 count, and right now it is on sale for $5.79, I believe, on Grove's website. I use this for many things, especially like Riley's toys and Riley's high chair. It comes in handy, it works great, and it is safe. So I got this for him, or for him. I got this for me, but to clean his stuff. And then I've been hearing great things about the basil scent from Mrs. Meyer's, so I decided to pick up a Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the scent basil, so I'm really excited to try this out. Also heard great things about the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener in the scent lavender. So I got this, and it does smell pretty good. It has a lavender scent, but it's a little different. It has something exceptional about it, extra exceptional about it. Like, it smells different. It smells like lavender, but better. So I'm glad I picked this up because our house needs it. And then for our spring cleaning, definitely needed to get this. It says the 7th generation chlorine-free bleach. It is free and clear, so it's good for sensitive skin, as you know I have that badly. It is color safe, fragrance free, and it lifts tough stains. And I heard I read on their website that it is non-toxic, and also there's no harsh smell. There is 64 fluid ounces in this, so I'm really excited about that. This is it next to my head, so it's a little bit bigger than my head, which is fine because it's gonna take a while to go through this, I'm pretty sure. But I'm gonna be using this for some of my spring cleaning, so definitely stay tuned for my series I'm gonna be putting out there for spring cleaning videos and stuff, because I know they're very motivating. I've been watching some myself and I'm like, oh, I want to clean now. And then I noticed on their site they have Method glass cleaner in the scent Waterfall. I see it everywhere only in mint. Sure, they have it in mint as well, but I saw that I have it in Waterfall, and so I picked up 2 because I absolutely love the Method Waterfall scent. I have it in the soap, hand soap for our bathroom, and I love it, so I picked up 2 of these because I don't know if they're going to get rid of this or not, or how long this is going to be on there. With Grove, you never know. So I picked up 2 of those, and then last but not least, I picked up this set. I had like something on my face. I hope you guys didn't see that. It was, I don't know, it was itchy, and it was like, oof. Anyways. So here is the set that you can get. It's, I believe, $18.99, and you get the Mrs. Meyer's mint scent in these items. So you get Mrs. Meyer's mint multi-surface spray, you get Mrs. Meyer's mint dish soap, and you also get Mrs. Meyer's hand soap. Let me see if I can hold all these for you guys. See, you get all 3 of these, and then you also get Grove Collaborative's 2-pack of their microfiber cloths. And I like that they have like a little pocket thing right here, so you can put your finger in there and like use it to scrub, or use it as the hang on stuff. I don't know. I use it to like kind of scrub a little bit. But you get this color. It's like a mint color, not scent, mint color. So it really goes really well with this set. I have to use gloves with microfiber cloths because I have eczema on my hands, and it just grabs at it, and it's worse than nails on a chalkboard. It's horrible. So you get 2-pack of the Grove Collaborative microfiber cloths, and you also get these 3 things. You get the multi-purpose spray, you get the dish soap, and the hand soap in the scent mint for only $18.99. I had to pick it up because I was really excited to try it out. Alright, you guys, that is my haul. I hope you have enjoyed. Stay tuned for my spring cleaning videos coming very shortly, and I will see you guys again next time. If you have not yet, definitely subscribe and like and share. I need more friends. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!